Today, we're going to visit the National Education Museum at UPI. This place is full of fascinating stories and exhibits about the history of education in Indonesia. So, let's explore together and uncover all the amazing things this museum has to offer. Come on, follow along with us. Bandung is one of the main tourist destination cities in Indonesia, known its cool atmosphere and natural beauty. The city has a strong appeal as a tourist destination, both for domestic and foreign tourists. Bandung offers various types of tourism ranging from nature tourism, culinary tourism, shopping tourism, and to educational tourism. One of the interesting educational tours in Bandung are museums that provide a fun learning experience. This museum not only provide new knowledge to visitors, but also become a fun recreation place, making a visit to Bandung even more memorable. One of the museums in Bandung is the National Education Museum, or MUPENAS, which is managed by the Indonesian University of Education. The original purpose of establishing this museum was to explain developments related to education in the future. In its management, this museum is a research center, a learning resource, and a place of learning about the quality of education. The National Education Museum is also managed for cultural tourism purposes in West Java and Indonesia. Inside the museum, there are several activities that can be done by visitors, such as making observation while sharing experience. Visitors can also buy something that is sold in the museum as a souvenir. Another activity that can be done is listening to the history of national education through conservation, education, research, and recreation activities.
Museums are places that store various valuable collections, ranging from historical artifacts, art, to science. When we visit a museum, we not only see interesting objects, but also have a unique experience. Museums offer well-designed exhibits, which can attract visitors of all ages. Like the facilities provided by the museum, visitors will be presented with a collection of dioramas that illustrate the development of Indonesian education from the classical period, the colonial period, the national movement period, to the early days of independence and reform. The floor is always equipped with library and research room facilities, which allow visitors to delve further into the history of education through various literature sources available. The University Education of Indonesia National Education Museum not only presents collections related to the history of education, but also creates a pleasant atmosphere for visitors, with various interactive activities and interesting exhibitions. The museum is an educational tourist destination. However, the role of museum does not stop there. Museum also serve as an effective learning medium. Through collection and exhibition, visitors can learn about history, culture, and science in a more interesting and interactive way. Visitors can enjoy an audiovisual room that presents various educational shows, a contemporary exhibition room that displays the latest works of art and innovation, and a souvenir room that offers a variety of specialty products that can be taken home as a memento. For example, when students visit a museum, they can see firsthand the historical artifacts they learn about in the class. This helps them understand the historical context better and develop critical thinking skills. Learning experience in museum can improve student chronological thinking skills and historical understanding.
These two functions, as tourist attractions and learning media, are actually complementary. When visitors come to travel, they also get the opportunity to learn. Conversely, when they come to learn, a pleasant experience makes the learning process more effective. Therefore, it is important for museums to continuously develop interesting and educational programs. Cooperation between museums and schools is also crucial to ensure that learning experiences in museums can be integrated into the education curriculum. Museums are not just places to see historical objects, but also learning spaces that are rich in information and experience. Let's support the museum's role in education and make it a destination that is not only interesting, but also beneficial for all visitors. Thank you.